Everyone and welcome to Stockology. It is 24th of January 2025 and it is after the market's end. So today's market was down, as you can see. Nifty 50 was 113 point down, so as the Bank Nifty, Sensex and everything else. And as we are continuing our Nifty 50 series, so right gets to it at this point. So last time we saw SDFC Insurance Company, and today we are going to see BPCL, Bharat Petroleum Corporation. As you can see right now, the price of this share is 263.8, and remember, this is after the market has closed. Now the market will open on 25th 27th of January, on Monday. So right now the price is 263.8, which is 7.45 rupees down from yesterday. Today's high was 279.4, today's lows was 263, 52 weeks high is 376, and expert trading says 59% people are buying it. That's good. Revenue, profit and net worth all are in green. That's good. And if you look at the promoters, they are same. Foreign investors has a little bit changed from the start. Domestic institutions a little bit lower. Mutual fund has preferred it, and retailers are at almost at the same level. So now we will jump right to what we always do, that is chart analysis. And here is the chart. We'll go with lines. Isn't already in months. This is our first, sorry, I'll change it into purple. This is our first resistance here for month point of view, but we are not considering it because it's too far from where it is right now, so it doesn't make much of a sense. We can put it this one as well. We can go with this one as well. Why, you might be asking, why this? Because before this was the only, before this was the highest point, right? So that's why I'm not considering it, because if I have considered it, it has already broke it and it is seem like it is falling, so there is no good reason to look at it. But we can consider this as a support, maybe this as well, but we are not seeing multiple entries or exit from this side, only a single point. More points of contact make much of a resilient, or you can say much of a greater resistance or support for us. Like this one could work well. As you can see, 2 points of contact, maybe more than two here at first, but if you ask me, I'll not consider it at all. I'm not seeing any perfect or reasonable point of support there. Now we'll move into weeks. On week point of view, we can see it could work as a support resistance there, but we are not going for that. Let's look for the multiple points here to find our support. Let's see if it's going to work or not. Okay, multiple points, and this made a support there. Work at a resistance, almost a support, almost a resistance went up but fell. It could work as our support here. Yes, here as well, this side. So it can work as our support, a resilient support, which is not far from where it is, 263.25, and right now the price is Sorry, right now the price is 263, 274 could be our support, and 271.55 could be our resistance. Have a look at candles to get an idea. Okay, you can see market is falling, bigger candles, see prospective falling of the market. Okay, this zone could be okay, not bad. Right now market is falling, obviously, as you can see. It is as easy to understand as it could be. Now we'll go in days. In days point of view, I've always told you the recent high or recent low. Recent high is going to work as our support, sorry, resistance, and recent low is going to work as our support, but our recent high is quite far, so our recent low is going to work as our resistance. As I already told you, that's the case here. And in support point of view, I'm not seeing any support nearby here, so we have to look for support behind. And for some reason there are no particular support here. I can go with this, here, there, or somewhere like this, but at this point I'm just trying to make a trade here. I'm just trying to find a support which is not existing clearly. It could work as a support like this. It worked as a support here, worked as a resistance here, but I'm not convinced, so I'm not going to ask you to be convinced as well. Okay, it could work. You can see there are multiple point where it act as a support and resistance, so it could work here. So all in all, the market is falling. If I have to put support and resistance here, 265.31 is going to work as our resistance, and 256.20 is going to work as our support. Okay, it is as clear as it can be. So we are going to put 265.2 as our resistance, and 256.2 as our support. 256.2, 256.2. Okay, so with this we conclude our this video about Bharat Petroleum Corporation, and hopefully I hope that this video is helpful, and thanks for watching Stockology, and I'll try my best to put more videos for you to learn and understand how I go with the support and resistance. And don't forget to subscribe and comment whatever you find interesting, or if you want any particular share from me to analyze, because I considered support and resistance is a very good method to take an entry or take an exit after the candlestick pattern. Stick pattern with support and resistance are really good in my personal opinion. And with this, thanks for watching.